How to use cleansing milk. Cleansing milk is a type of cleanser that helps remove makeup, dirt, and impurities from your face. While it doesn't help with acne or preventing breakouts, it can help keep your face clean and beautiful. To use cleansing milk, wash your hands, apply to your face and neck, and then rinse away completely. Applying cleansing milk. Pull your hair back. Because you will be leaning forward when you use cleansing milk, you need to secure your hair so it doesn't fall into your face. Pin back your bangs with a clip. Pull your hair into a ponytail with a hair tie. If you have short hair, you can hold it back with a headband instead. If you have short hair, you can hold it back with a headband instead. Wash your hands. You should have clean hands before you apply cleansing milk. Wash your hands well with soap and warm water. Your hands may have bacteria that can cause acne or infection on your face. Warm the cleansing milk to skin temperature. Place the cleansing milk into your palm. Put your palms together and rub the cleansing milk to warm it up. Do this for a few seconds, until it's approximately the temperature of your skin. Place the milk on your face. Cover your cheeks with your hands with light pressure. This transfers the milk to your skin. Keep your hands there for 10 seconds before removing your hands. Tap your face with your hands gently 5 times. Once you've transferred the milk to your face, gently place your hands back onto your face and pull them away quickly 5 or 6 times. This should create a kind of suction that will help pull impurities to the surface of your skin where they can be easily washed away. Massage the milk into your skin. Apply the cleansing milk all over your face and neck. Apply with gentle pressure and massage the milk lightly into your skin. By massaging the milk into your skin, you can reach areas, like the sides of your nose and the skin under your brows, where dirt and makeup often become trapped. Rinse with warm water. After you are finished, rinse your face with warm water. This will remove any excess milk from your face. Or can also use a cotton ball or cloth to remove the leftover cleansing milk. Remove residue with a warm cloth. Milk cleansers can leave a residue on your face. If you feel like you still have your cleanser on your face, soak a cloth in warm water. Cover your face with the cloth for 5 seconds. Wipe away the residue. You can repeat this 3 or 4 times to remove any excess. You can repeat this 3 or 4 times to remove any excess. Tone and moisturize afterwards. Use your usual toner to tone your face. This will give your skin a deep clean and may help to prevent acne. Then, finish by using your regular face cream or lotion to moisturize and hydrate your face. You can apply your makeup at this point.